ultimate guide to growing strong, beautiful, and healthy nails. Get ready to transform your nail game and say goodbye to bad nail days. Watch till the end and start growing the nails of your dreams. Hey there, beauty lovers! Today we're talking about something that's often overlooked but totally essential: nail care. Step 1. Nail care mistakes. When performing tasks that expose your nails to harsh chemicals or excessive moisture cleaning agents, dishwashing detergents, and even prolonged exposure to water can weaken nails, making them more susceptible to damage. Nail care routine. Trim your nails regularly using sharp, clean clippers or scissors. Cut them straight across to prevent ingrown nails, and then use a gentle nail file to shape them. Avoid rough emery boards, as they can cause splitting and damage to the nail surface. Moisturized cuticles is very crucial in nail care routine. By regularly applying a nourishing cuticle oil or cream, gently massage the product into your cuticles to promote blood circulation and encourage healthy nail growth. Choose nail-friendly products. Opt for formulas that are free from harsh chemicals when selecting nail polish and nail care products and dibutyl phthalate. These chemicals can strip the nails of moisture and cause them to become brittle over time. Allow nails to breathe. While it's fun to experiment with nail polish and nail art, give your nails a break from time to time. Allow them to go polish-free for a few days to let them breathe and recover from any potential damage caused by prolonged polish wear. Maintain good hygiene. Keep your nails clean by washing them regularly with a mild soap and warm water. Pay extra attention to cleaning underneath your nails to remove dirt and bacteria that can lead to infections. Address nail issues promptly. If you notice any changes in the color, texture, or shape of your nails, don't ignore them. Addressing issues like discoloration, thickening, or nail fungus early on can prevent further damage and promote faster recovery. Practice patience. Achieving beautiful, healthy nails takes time and consistency. Be patient with your nail care routine and give your nails the care and attention they deserve. With dedication and proper care, you'll soon enjoy nails that are not only beautiful, but also strong and healthy. Nourish from within. Start with a balanced diet rich in nutrients vital for nail health. Include foods high in protein such as lean meats, fish, eggs, and legumes, which provide the building blocks for strong nails. Incorporate sources of biotin like nuts, seeds, and whole grains, as this vitamin is essential for nail growth and strength. Hydrate for hydration. Just as hydration is essential for your skin, it's crucial for your nails too. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to keep your nails hydrated from the inside out. Moisturized nails are less prone to brittleness and breakage. Now on to the next part: how to have a beautiful nails. Creating beautiful nails involves a combination of proper care, grooming techniques, and attention to detail. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you achieve stunning nails. Start with clean nails before you begin any nail care routine. Make sure your nails are clean and free from any polish or debris. Remove old polish using an acetone-free nail polish remover to avoid drying out your nails. Shape your nails. Choose a nail shape that complements your fingers and suits your style. Common nail shapes include square, round, oval, almond, or stiletto. Use a nail file to shape your nails evenly, working in one direction to prevent splitting and damage. Soak and soften for an at-home spa experience. Soak your nails in warm, soapy water for a few minutes to soften the cuticles and nails. This makes it easier to push back the cuticles and removes any dirt or debris from under the nails. Push back cuticles. Gently push back the cuticles using a cuticle pusher or orange wood stick. Avoid cutting the cuticles, as this can lead to infection and damage to the nail bed. Pushing back the cuticles gives the nails a clean and polished look. Hydrate and moisturize. Apply a nourishing cuticle oil or cream to the cuticles and nails to keep them hydrated and healthy. Massage the product into the nails and surrounding skin to promote blood circulation and stimulate nail growth. Buff for smoothness. Use a nail buffer to gently smooth the surface of the nails, removing any ridges or imperfections. This creates a smooth canvas for polish application and enhances the natural shine of the nails. Apply base coat before applying nail polish. Always start with a base coat to protect the nails and prevent staining. Choose a base coat that suits your nail type, whether you need strengthening, hydrating, or smoothing properties. Add color. Choose your favorite nail polish color and apply it in thin, even coats, starting from the base of the nail and working towards the tip. Allow each coat to dry completely before applying the next layer. To prevent smudging or streaking, seal with top coat. Finish your manicure with a top coat to seal in the color and add shine and durability to your nails. A quick drying top coat can help your manicure last longer and prevent chipping. Maintain and touch up. Keep your nails looking beautiful by maintaining your manicure. Regularly touch up any chips or imperfections with additional polish. And top coat as needed, moisturize your nails and cuticles daily to keep them hydrated and healthy. You can also do nail extensions for more creative and beautiful nails. But it requires proper care and maintenance to ensure that your extensions look stunning and stay healthy. Here are some tips on how to maintain beautiful nails. Opt for high-quality nail extensions made from durable materials. With nail extensions, choose high-quality extensions, like acrylic gel or polygel. Quality extensions not only look better, but also last longer, and are less likely to cause damage to your natural nails. Find a skilled nail technician. Choose a reputable nail technician with experience in applying nail extensions. And there you have it, guys, the ultimate guide to beautiful and healthy nails. By avoiding common nail care mistakes, following a good nail care routine, and using the right products, you can achieve strong, beautiful, and healthy nails. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more beauty and wellness tips.